Just let me drift amidst my dreams. I need to regain composure, and right now my heart is still and asleep. I refuse to believe we've become so obsolete. Don't wake me when this is over, 'cause I need to find the time lost in between. If